Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the crochet cluster stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is a crochet hook and some yarn. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. And I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors so you can see how the stitch is going to be made. It is a rather wide stitch, so I have already made a single crochet, 3 chains, and then a single crochet between these cluster stitches, and that's where I'm going to be working my cluster stitch. It can be made in any sort of big space that you will make in a crochet project, say between like granny squares, you know, in between granny blocks in a granny square, things like that. It needs a wider space than a normal stitch, and as we go along you'll see why. And you can see the rows that I have already made, those big blocks of stitches where they look like they're all together. That is how the stitch is going to look. So to begin, I have already made 3 chains on my hook already. So I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to wrap the yarn around my hook. I'm going to insert it in the space that I'm going to be working, and I'm going to pull up the yarn. I'm then going to yarn over, and I'm only going to pull through 2 loops. I'm then going to wrap again, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, wrap again, pull through only 2 loops. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. Again, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, grab that yarn and pull it up, yarn over again and only pull through 2 loops. You should have 4 loops now. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. So then this is basically the main stitch right here. You should have 5 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 5 loops to complete that stitch out. And this is how it's going to look. So I am going to do 2 chains between my cluster stitches. So again, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, grab the yarn and pull it up, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert my hook, grab that yarn behind there, pull it through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. So I now have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, insert my hook, grab the yarn, pull it through that space. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. I now have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, insert my hook into that same space we've been working, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. I now have 5 loops on my hook, so I can yarn over, pull through all 5 to complete that cluster stitch. And again, start with a yarn over, insert your hook into the space that you're working, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. You should have 2 loops on your hook still. You'll yarn over, insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. You'll then have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space, pull that yarn through, yarn over again, pull through only 2 loops. You'll then end up with 5 loops on your hook. That's when you will yarn over, pull through all 5 of those loops. So again, I'm going to start with a yarn over on my hook, insert my hook into the space I'm working, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over my hook, insert my hook into the space, grab the yarn, yarn over again, pull through only 2 loops. 3 loops so far on my hook. Yarn over, insert my hook, grab that yarn, yarn over again, pull through only 2 loops. Now I have 4 loops sitting on my hook. yarn over, insert my hook, grab that yarn, pull it up, yarn over again, pull through only 2 loops. I now have 5 loops on my hook, so I can go ahead and yarn over, pull through all 5 to complete that cluster stitch. So one more time. Start with a yarn over on your hook. Insert the hook into the space you're working. You're going to grab that yarn. You're then going to yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. You should have 2 loops on your hook still. You're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the space, grab that yarn and pull it through. Yarn over again, pull through only 2 loops. You will now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it up, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. You will now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it up, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. You will then have 5 loops on your hook. You are good to yarn over and pull it through all 5 to complete that cluster stitch. And then I'm going to do just a simple double crochet over here to finish out my row to make it sit evenly. Alright guys, that is how to make the cluster stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback that you have, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for being here.